Welcome back to an introduction to gardening and farming by Petranilla Estrada. We're talking about tips on how to start a vegetable garden or a farm. So, soil is referred to as dirt, earth, and is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms. Simply, soil is a living thing that can die if not cared for. Start small. Gardeners, use the space you have. Farmers, do not try to do it all at once, unless you have equipment, a huge capital, and farm hands. Taking it half to 1 acre at a time will make it easier to manage. Have a plan. Know what you are going to grow and what quantities. For farmers, you need a business plan with details including marketing and financial details, as well as estimated production and capital costs. Keep records. This helps farmers and gardeners to recreate their successes and learn from their failures. Agriculture is a business that requires patience and plenty room for trial and error. Gardeners, if you don't eat it, don't grow it. Farmers, if you don't have a market, don't plant it in large quantities. Grow what's best for your soil type. Get your soil tested if unsure. Choose your varieties well. Know that there are different varieties of crops. Some grow best in summer and some do not. If unsure, seek advice from professionals. Do your research, but ensure that it is relevant to your country, climate, and region. Limit your use of chemicals and fertilizers. You can do this by using natural or organic measures for pest control and fertilization, and you can also consider biological pest control. If you use pesticides and chemicals, remember to wear proper protective gear. Follow the directions on the pesticide labels and always triple rinse, puncture, and dispose of empty chemical bottles properly. After spraying, ensure to have a bath. All gardeners and farms will require the use of some simple tools, so be sure to have them on hand. Most crop cycles run from 3 months, with some crops 6 weeks up to 12 months. Take note of sowing, planting, and harvesting times. Know when to harvest and the signs that your crop is ready. Store harvested crops properly to preserve their shelf life. Always remember, you only fail if you stop trying.